World Food Day is an international day celebrated every year around the world on 16th October in honor of the date of the founding of the Food and Agricultural Organization of the United Nations in 1945. FAO promotes innovation and applies digital technologies in agri-food systems as well as reducing food loss and waste are vital to step as the fight against hunger. 2020's World Food Day theme is Grow, Nourish and Sustain Together. We must always respect the food we get because it is the blessing of God and love from someone who cares for us. People should take healthy food for a zero hunger world. So, what are the major nutrients present in the food items? Let us listen to Analyst of Plus 2 Biology, our NGC Club member.
Nutrients are substances that provide nourishment essential for the maintenance of life and growth. There are 6 essential nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates provide energy.
Cereals like rice, wheat, etc. are good examples of carbohydrates.
Proteins. Protein help to build and repair tissues. It is an important building block of skin, bones, cartilage, etc.
Egg, fish, milk, pulses like green gram, hot gram, etc. are protein-rich foods.
Fat. Fat is the major storage form of energy in our body. A moderate amount of fat is required in our diets for good health.
Dairy products, seafood, oil, meat, etc. are rich in fats.
Minerals. Just like vitamins, minerals also help our growth, development, and health.
There are 2 types of minerals, major minerals and trace minerals. All vegetables and fruits contains vitamins and minerals.
Water. It is necessary for the breakdown of food molecules and also help in the generation of energy.
About 70% of human body is water. A human needs to drink minimum 2 liters of water per day for good health. When our diet contains all these nutrients in correct proportion, it is called balanced diet.
Malnutrition and obesity are the 2 major problems we face today. Food security should be measured in terms of quality and not quantity. Therefore, seasonal crops as well as indigenous crops should be cultivated in order to meet these nutritional requirements. Here is Ramya of Plus 2 Biology to say more about it.
Malnutrition is the lack of nutrients. In 2019, the government of India stated that 6.7% of its population is below its official poverty limits. A disturbing result, we observe that India has been ranked 102 out of 117 countries in terms of severity of hunger. And these details gives us the importance of thinking about most probable solutions for this problem. We can create vegetable garden in our locality and thus can be a part of solution to this problem. It also gives us release from the world of chemical pesticides and weedicides. And the important thing is every state in India has its own locally available food crops. When we consider our Kerala, we have enough tapioca, indigenous rice varieties like Pokali rice, Ponnarian, Jeeragashala, etc. During this lockdown period, we can utilize more time for cultivation of agricultural crops like pumpkin, ash gourd, tea, etc. in our own locality that will increase food production as well as improve our health.
It is important to remember that the world produces a large amount of food to feed everyone, but a huge portion of it is wasted. This has to change. Here is Priyamvada of Plus 2 Biology to say more about its impacts.
We all know one of the major problems related to food is food wastage. According to Food and Agriculture Organization of United Nations report in 2013 indicating that the food waste globally sums to one-third of the total food produced for human consumption, about 1.6 billion tons a year.
India also faces some such problems because of food waste. India has the largest undernourished and hungry population. While we sleep comfortably in our houses, 195 mn Indians sleep hungry every day. 165 mn children are stranded because of undernutrition. 3,000 children in India die every day from illness arising out of poor diet. India ranks 55 out of 76 countries in the Global Hunger Index because about 40% of food is wasted in India. About 21 million tons of wheat is wasted in India. 50,000 crore rupees worth of food produced is wasted every year in our country.
About 20% of what we buy in urban India ends up being thrown away. We waste a lot of food items due to many reasons. Some of them are following.
Improper storage of food, purchase and preparation of too much food and wasteful cooking practices. We waste small amount of food at home. Over preparation of food in restaurants, hotel and the food service industry. Wasting a lot of food during public functions such as marriages and religious functions. And the other reasons for food wastage are lack of appropriate planning, outdated farming method, bad planning and management. Some of the solutions of food wasting are balancing food production with demand, bettering food harvesting, storage, processing and distribution process, food waste reduction initiative, consumers to buy and prepare food with a plan, food recycling, hunger-free movement campaigns. Let us join hands to prevent food waste and feed the underprivileged.
Food that we have in our plate is as a result of immense hard work at various stages. So, consume it with utmost respect. Wish you all a happy World Food Day. Hope it was informative to you. Please share the video. Thank you all dears for watching.